We have been a free country for more than 60 years now.
Have you ever spared a thought for the selfless Indians who sacrificed themselves for our freedom?
Their diligence, their courage, their patriotism
Entail each and every freedom fighter to give a part of themselves to India.
Wonder what we Indians think about today?
In 1947, Indians were as free as we are.
Today, what do we think?
Today, what do we think?
As we humbly go into a shell to let scamsters we made swagger past.
As we work 12 hours a day for 8 hours pay.
As we see scores of men being killed in cold blood.
As we see the democracy being mocked and all the rights for which we sacrificed.
Trampled by the mafia.
As we see our children go hungry and our women folk face lifetime of challenges.
What do we Indians really think when we look within?
Probably, it's something like this.
We wish we had been less greedy for ourselves and more anxious for our country.
We wish we had realized that we can't be the determined troublemakers by quarreling this united people at home.
We wish we had been willing to give in some of our rights to other Indians rather than giving up all of them to our enemies.
We wish we had known that patriotism is work, not talk.
Patriotism is giving, not getting.
And if we Indians could read our newspapers today,
Pressure groups, each demanding things to be done for them instead of for our country.
Wouldn't we say this to our fellow country men and women?
and if you knew your horrible penalties your actions are bound to bring,
You would bury your differences now, before they bury you.
You would work for your country as you have never worked before.
You'd wait for your private ambitions until your country is abundant and prosperous.
look at us. We have worked too little and too late.
Look at us. We have done so little and so late.
Look at us. We have done so little and so late.
Shouldn't we do something about this?
But when?
But when?
But when? Tomorrow?
Why only a New Year's Eve is a time to take a resolution?
Why not take a resolution today and change ourselves to change our country?
Let's bury our differences before they bury us. We can make it better.
Faster.
Together.
We can make it better, faster, together.
We can make it better, faster, together.